today I have brought to you a video on a health issue because of which a large number of women has been affected. If you like this video, please like, share this video and subscribe the channel for coming videos. Please press the bell icon for receiving notification. For getting benefits, please remain till last of video. Now the video in which I am going to talk about a PCOD, that is polycystic ovarian disease. It is a common hormonal disorder of women in fertile age group. It is characterized by imbalances in the sex hormones. Because of PCOD, women develop cysts in their ovaries and produce excess amount of androgens. Hyperandrogenism may result in problems like irregular period and infertility during reproductive age. The main pathology behind the disease is insulin resistance and hyperinsulinemia. PCOD is not life-threatening. According to research study, around 20% are affected with PCOD in India. Global prevalence of PCOD is estimated to the between 6% and 26%. The highest rate of PCOD is in Czech Republic and lowest in Sweden. PCOD is a condition that can present itself in different ways. Younger women may suffer from irregular periods, experience hirsutism, unwanted male pattern hair growth, and obesity, while in the slightly older age group it may lead to infertility, risk of miscarriage, and covering a baby can be difficult. Some causes of PCOD may be hereditary, as there is nearly 40% chance that a female child may develop PCOS if the mother has it. PCOD may lead to diabetes 2 type 2 and high blood pressure, insulin resistance, and lifestyle. The pancreas produces insulin to help the body use sugar from food for energy. Insulin resistance means the inability of cells to respond to the action of insulin in transporting glucose, that is sugar, from the bloodstream in muscles and other tissues. To, to compensate this demand, to pancreas start making more insulin. About 70% women with PCOD have peripheral insulin resistance. Inflammation. PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, can lead to increased level of inflammation in women, and being overweight also can contribute to inflammation. The research studies have shown in PCOD excess inflammation is linked to higher androgen level. Another point is weight. Weight increase, that obesity is also increased. The more peripheral fat one has, more is the hormonal imbalance. Sometimes a higher weight may worsen insulin resistance and the symptom of polycystic ovarian syndrome. Some women with PCOD report that they had never experienced symptoms such as menstrual irregularity, excessive hair growth, and are a healthy weight. However, these symptoms only appear once they gain weight. Obesity is measured in term of body mass index. Ideal value is 25, but when one is obese, the BMI goes over 27 to 28. PCOD is lifelong health condition, but one can control it with proper diet and ideal body weight. Now some symptoms of PCOD. PCOD may include menstrual problem, amenorrhea, menorrhagia, irregular ovulation, or failure to ovulate causing infertility, excessive hair growth, hirsutism, weight gain, thinning hair loss from the head, male pattern baldness, oily skin, or acne that refuse to heal with the usual treatment due to excess peripheral androgen, pigmentation of the skin around the neck region, acanthosis nigricans, or headache. These are the some symptoms. Now, complication of PCOD. Complication can arise which include various disease and medical conditions like high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, increased cholesterol. Other complications are miscarriage of fetus, infertility, sleep apnea, depression, and other mental disorders. Endometrial cancer and chronic liver inflammation. Then there are some diagnosis of the PCOD. Diagnosis may perform by inquiring medical history and a physical examination like pelvic examination, blood test to quantify hormones level, and ultrasound of the ovaries and uterus to confirm the condition. Now treatment of PCOD. PCOD treatment are done by medication and surgery if needed. Doctors, after confirming the PCOD, would recommend various medication and drugs to rectify your menstrual cycle. Ayurvedic medicine Asokarishta may help to improve the PCOD condition. Other may include combinatorial birth control pill. It contains progesterone and estrogen that reduce the production of the male sex hormones and regulate the hormones that let follicles release the egg from acne and excess hair growth. Another is progesterone therapy. In this therapy, to correct your menstrual cycle in this medication, and another is immature follicles treatment. In this treatment, to improve the woman endocrinology and decrease the number of follicles in the ovary, thus facilitating pregnancy. Improve ovulation by taking drugs such as clomiphene, letrozole, metformin, and gonadotropin. These are the tablet drugs. Another is surgery like laparoscopy. Ovarian drilling may be performed in severe cases, which would help trigger ovulation. And another treatment, you can change your lifestyle. First is lifestyle changes. It must to avoid PCOD or overcoming from the condition, recommended some foods containing low fat, and carbohydrates are natural, unprocessed food, spinach, other leafy vegetable, broccoli and cauliflower, nuts and legumes, fish, whole grain, low fat dairy products. And another is reduce body mass index BMI by adopting various types of practice like yoga, jogging, walking, high intensity interval training, cardiovascular exercise, aerobic, mind body, and strength training. Future further, if you want a video of your choice, please let me know in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.